Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be discussing about the top 9 Indian mobile companies. The first company is Life, which is a Reliance retail company. Life is all about moving culture forward and putting you at the center of it. It is an affordable luxury from a smartphone to a connected TV or drones, connected clothes or a space station. Life range of smartphone with superior features are like voice over LTE, that is Volt, voice over Wi-Fi, that is Wi-Fi, HD voice and HD quality video calling that enables user to experience a new digital life. The second company is Micromax. Micromax is India's homegrown consumer electronics brand. Micromax has offered affordable innovations through their products offering and removing the barriers for large-scale adoption of advanced technologies. In the year 2010 to 2012, the company added a tablet, PC and LED TVs to the portfolio. In the year 2014, the company became the 10th largest mobile brand in the world and also signed Hugh Jackman as the brand ambassador for Canva's range as into the global market brand. The third company is UTeleVentures, that is a subsidiary of Micromax. UTeleVentures is an Indian consumer electronic brand that was created on 18 December 2014 as a joint venture. In the year 2015 to 2017, the company launched the smart TVs online known as U brand. The fourth company is Carbon Mobiles. Carbon Mobiles is a leading smartphone brand in the country with numerous accolades under its belt. It was started in the year 2009 with the aim to bring the benefits of the smartphone to the masses in India. The fifth company is Celcon Mobiles. Celcon Mobiles is a leading consumer mobile handset in India. It has been fulfilled by the company passion to bring the technology and affordability to the same platform. Celcon believes in eliminating the digital divide and enable connectivity between the people. It was established in the year 2009. Celcon has grown multifold. The company is also rapidly expanding across other major territories in India and abroad, as a part of which they have established a strong footprint overseas in the countries like Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, Singapore, and in the other Asian regions such as Zimbabwe. In the other countries also such as South Africa, Namibia, Zambia, and also in the other part of Africa. The sixth company is Eyeball Mobiles. Eyeball is in India's premier homegrown technology. It was founded in the year 2001. Eyeball has touched over 100 million users through 500 trade partners and 1 lakh active retailers and 500 plus service centers in India. The seventh company is Intex Technologies. Intex Technologies, incorporated in the year 1996, is one of the India's leading privately held company with a strong presence in the consumer durables, IT and mobile accessories. The chairman and the managing director of this company is Mr. Narendra Bansal. The company was started with a vision to improve the lives of the people by giving them easy access to the latest technology and the smart value products. The eighth company is Zolo, that is a subsidiary of Lava Mobile. Zolo is a premium smart devices brand and has progressed to become a game of changer in the domestic smartphone market with a strong hold in the mid to end smartphone segment. The brand offers a fresh design approach and the new technologies to take over the performance and the customer experience to the next level. Lava products are also available through a national-wide retail network of over 1.65 lakh retailers, who in turn are directly served by the 1,000 distributors. The ninth company is Oneida Mobile brand. Oneida that is, Mirk Electronics commenced its journey in 1981, starting with the global and the goal of manufacturing television sets. It transformed into a complete consumer durable company with a wide product portfolio including flat panel TVs, LED, LCD TVs, air conditioners, washing machines, microwave ovens, DVD home theater systems, mobile phones, projector systems, and LED lights. Oneida has been an ensuring brand and provides the durable space and has also won the trust of the millions of consumers with its high quality products. Being an Indian company, the company understands the unique requirements of the other Indian consumer more than any other company does.
Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you like the video, please click on the like button and also please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you haven't opened the Demat account, I'll be posting the link of Zerodha and 5S in the description box. You may click on the link and get your Demat account open. Also, I give free trading equity calls on the Telegram. I will be posting the link of my Telegram group. You can join my group. This is only for education purpose. Thank you so much once again.